everyone, it's Miss Carla here at the Palos Heights Public Library. Welcome to another Crafty Monday. Today we're going to make our teen craft, and we are going to make our very own butterfly rings out of pipe cleaners. So that's my sample. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to show you how to make this, and what you'll pick up at the library. Pretty simple. You're going to get 3 pipe cleaners in 3 different colors. So let me show you how to make your very own butterfly pipe cleaner ring. Okay, so the only really supplies you're going to need at home is some scissors, and optional is a ruler, but you don't have to have a ruler. So one of your pipe cleaners, you're going to want to decide that's going to be the stem and the antenna of your butterfly. So whatever color you want that to be, you're going to cut that pipe cleaner in half right away. And you're not even going to need half of it. So you don't need a ruler because these are about 1 foot long, and you need 6 inches. So I just folded it in half, and then I'm going to cut it in half right where I folded it. So you're actually just going to get rid of one of them. So you're left with 2 bigger pieces and a smaller piece. So first you're going to take the 2 larger pieces, lining up the ends about as perfectly as you can. So pretty close. And then you're going to twist, you're going to find the middle, so around here, and you're going to twist them together about 4 or 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you kind of want to count so you don't lose track. All right. So whatever finger you want, you have to decide now which finger you want to wear your ring on. So I'm going to do this finger, and this is where you're going to what you're going to do now is you're going to twist these together a few times so it fits your finger. So just like 2 times, maybe 3 is enough. So now I'm going to pull it off my finger. And then now what we need to do is we need to evenly spread out the 4. So something like this kind of looks like a star shape a little bit. So whatever color you want to be the bottom of your butterfly, you're going to want to snip off a little bit around 1 inch. So again, you could use a ruler, but I just kind of eyeball it. Honestly, it doesn't have to be perfect. Get rid of those pieces. And then, all right. We're going to pinch it so it comes up like this. All right, and now that we did that, this is where you're gonna make your butterfly wings. So you're going to do, for the top wings, you're gonna roll into a spiral down. So this is what I'm doing. I'm rolling a spiral inwards. And I'm gonna do the same for the other top wing. And it might take a little bit of practice. You might have to unroll it and then try again. It took me a few times. So now I'm gonna do the bottom wings, and you're gonna wanna roll them upwards. So by upwards, I mean this way. And sometimes the ends are a little pointy, so just be mindful of that. But again, this craft is recommended more for, about grades 4 and up. So I wouldn't recommend it for really small kids because of the pointy ends and everything. So, as you can see, I'm not the best at it, but there's my butterfly wings. So you want to tuck the bottom wings behind the top wings, which I kind of already have it that way. It just makes it look more like a butterfly. The other thing you can do is keep bending the wings to make them look more like a butterfly. So I'm kind of pinching them so they look a little more like a butterfly wing. All right, so now when you have it how you're happy with it, now you're gonna take that smaller pipe cleaner and you're gonna place it behind the butterfly So behind the butterfly. And you're going to wrap it around the pipe cleaner to make its body. So we're going to do it probably 2 or 3 times. So that was once. And probably 2 times is all I really have room for, honestly. And then you need to pinch this part. So see this? I'm twisting the top so it stays. All right, so now this is our antennae, but as you can see, they're uneven. So this is where you can, if you want to make them look more even, just take your scissors and snip it. And you can kind of play with them, make them stick out if you want to. So there you have it. That is our, now I think my other one actually turned out a little bit better, but you know, it did require some practice. I had to do this more than one time. So here is my one I just made. Here is the one that I made previously. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy, and come by the library starting on Monday to pick up these the supplies to make this butterfly pipe cleaner. See you soon. Bye.